Today we're in Tempe, Arizona, and we are going to be covering a stem wall job. Foreman is Bo, and we're going to go take a look and see how they're going to help the homeowner.
So basically we're doing some stem wall repair where the rebar is cracked, the stem wall. We jackhammer all the old concrete out, the solid concrete. We get down to the rebar. We chip out the old rusted rebar, and then we grind everything down, clean it up, put a rust inhibitor on any existing metal left over in there. And then we go ahead and cement it all back up with fiberglass enhanced cement. And yeah, basically it's kind of like, like a cavity in a tooth, you just got to get at it, chip it out, clean it up, and repack it basically so it quits spreading, the infection quits spreading. Alright, so we got everything cemented back up here. We got the fiberglass enhanced cement that we use. As you can see, we got the gap all filled in where it needed to be filled in, and then we go over the top of it with an extra layer just to make everything nice and flat and look good and everything. And yeah, so that's it. Finished product right there. We'll go ahead and put the dirt back, and then yeah, it looked like we were never here. Oh yeah, it makes me feel good, it makes me excited that, her house is structurally getting reinforced so she wouldn't have any further issues with anything. So yeah, it's kind of nice, to come out and help somebody and take care of the problem for them.